Hello everyone, we are from Group A and today we are going to present about thermogravimetric analysis, which is TGA. Next, meet our group members Tuan Azam, Muhammad Hafiz, Nur Atira and myself Banu. Introduction. What is TGA? Thermogravimetric analysis TGA is a thermal analysis technique that measures the change in the mass of a sample as a function of temperature or a time in a controlled atmosphere. The instrument used for TGA is called a thermogravimetric analyzer or thermobalance. What is TGA curve? A thermogravimetric TGA curve, which shows the sample weight or the percentage of weight change as a function of temperature or time, is commonly used to display the data from a TGA experiment. The TG curve can reveal important details on the material composition, purity, and thermal stability, as well as the kinetic several chemical processes. Next, I'm going to explain about the process of TGA analysis. First is sample preparation. The sample, typically in powder or small piece form, is placed in a small inert sample pan, often made of platinum, alumina, or ceramic. Second is instrument setup. The sample pan is placed on a highly sensitive microbalance inside a temperature controlled furnace. Third is data collection. The mass of sample is continuously monitored and recorded as a function of temperature or time. The data is typically plotted as a TGA curve showing the percentage of the initial sample mass on the y-axis versus temperature or time on the x-axis. Fourth is thermal events. As the sample is heated, it may undergo various thermal events such as dehydration, decomposition, oxidation, or phase transition, which result in mass changes. 5 is derivative analysis. The first derivative of the TGA curve, known as the DTG curve, can be plotted to determine the temperature at which rate of mass change is greatest, which can provide additional insight into the thermal behavior of the sample. And finally, interpretation. Analysis. As the temperature increases to 200 degrees Celsius to 400 degrees Celsius, a significant weight loss of 60% to 80% is observed, indicating the breakdown of long chain hydrocarbons and organic substances in the wax. The decomposition produces violet byproducts and residues. At temperatures above 400 degrees Celsius, the residue, typically 10% to 20%, indicates the presence of inorganic or non-violet components. Analyzing this residue helps understand the wax thermal stability and potential industrial applications.
Function. The thermogravimetric analysis (TGA) graph shown above represents the weight loss of a candle wet sample as it is heated from room temperature to nearly 800 Celsius. The x-axis indicates the temperature in degrees Celsius, while the y-axis shows the percentage of the initial sample weight remaining. The analysis is performed at a heating rate of 15.00 Celsius per minute. Discussion. The TGA curve displays two major stages of weight loss, each corresponding to different thermal events in the candle watt sample. First stage, 36.66 Celsius to 350.52 Celsius. The sample shows a weight loss of 25.06%, which is associated with the evaporation of volatile component and lower molecular weight substance within the wax. The inflection point at 284.51 Celsius and the midpoint of 285.27 Celsius indicate the temperature at which the maximum rate of weight loss occurs for this phase. This stage represents the initial thermal degradation and loss of volatile impurities or additives. Second stage, 350.53 Celsius to 791.75 Celsius. A more substantial weight loss of 74.60% is observed, signifying the decomposition of the main organic components such as long-chain hydrocarbon and triglyceride. The inflection point at 430.06 Celsius and the midpoint of at 422.96 Celsius mark the temperature of peak decomposition rate in this stage. This stage highlights the breakdown of the primary organic structure, leading to the generation of volatile byproduct and residual matter. And the last one, residue formation. The final residue at temperature above 791.75 Celsius is 0.34% of the initial weight, indicating the presence of inorganic and non-volatile components that withstand higher temperature. For the conclusion, thermogravimetric analysis (TGA) is vital for studying the thermal behavior and composition of candle wax. It identifying initial weight loss from 25 Celsius to 100 Celsius due to volatile substance and significant decomposition from 200 Celsius to 400 Celsius with 600% to 80% weight loss from long-chain hydrocarbon breakdown. Residue above 400 Celsius, 10% to 20% indicate inorganic component, revealing thermal stability and industrial potential. Comparing TGA result with literature validated finding, while contour study on environmental factors like heating rate and humidity enhance understanding. Combining TGA with mass spectrometry (MS) and Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy (FTIR) provide comprehensive insight into wax decomposition and application.